Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got ready for my birthday this year. My birthday passed just last week, that is on the 11th of September, and as it was a super hot day here in Delhi, I did not do much. I did a very minimal kind of a makeup look which took me less than 10 minutes, and I wanted to use a minimal number of products which are apparently heat proof, sweat proof, and do not budge. So this is how the look turned out, and this is what I wore on my birthday. This is a very pretty magenta colored dress that I bought from Uniqlo India. Well, I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started with today's video. For the base makeup today, I'm using my MAC Face and Body Foundation. This is the most lightweight foundation, and when I think of a no makeup look or a quick makeup look or a lightweight makeup look, this is the first foundation that comes to my mind. When I do not want a lot of coverage but I just want an even skin tone, this is the most perfect foundation to be applied with your hands. I'm just taking it like a moisturizer on my hand and just rubbing it all over the face. It does not give you a lot of coverage. It's a very sheer foundation, but it does a nice job at evening out the skin tone and giving a nice base for the rest of the products. Since I went for a super sheer foundation, I'm going for a little bit more of a higher coverage concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It is almost a full coverage kind of a concealer, and I'm using it to conceal and correct any areas where I have some pigmentation, that is on and around the eye area, on the nose, on the chin, and on the forehead. I'm using it as a concealer as well as to highlight the center of my face. It is a very beautiful and a lightweight concealer. It blends out so seamlessly and perfectly and gives that nice highlighted as well as concealed look to the face. It is a super lightweight concealer, and it does not look cakey or drying out your under eyes or the rest of your face, and blends out super seamlessly. I'm just blending it out here with my beauty sponge, and I just love how this makes my skin look. Now to set the face, I'm taking one of my holy grails. This is the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder. I'm taking it with my beauty sponge to set my under eyes and my T-zone. I'm not taking too much of it. I'm just taking a very light amount of it just to make sure that the concealer does not move throughout the day. It is a super lightweight and an extremely beautifully finely milled powder, and it is super lightweight on the skin, and I just love this product. To add some color back to the face, I'm taking my Cover FX Powder Bronzer. It is a super beautiful lightweight bronzer. It is a very nice creamy formula, though it is a powder bronzer, but it glides onto your skin like butter. I'm taking it with a stippling brush and I'm applying it on the hollows of the cheeks, the temples of the forehead, along the jawline, on the sides of the nose. I'm also going to take it all over my eyelids because I'm not going to be using any other crazy eyeshadows today. I'm just going to apply the same bronzer and the blush, and I'll be done with the eye makeup. For the blush, I'm going to take one of my favorites. This is the Bobbi Brown powder blush in the shade Tawny. You have seen me use this blush on my channel a lot of times before. This is one of my absolute favorites. Neutral pink tone blush. It is not a very bright or in your face kind of a blush, and it is the most natural looking blush that I can think of when it comes to blush from within kind of a look. I'm taking it on the apples of the cheeks, and I just love to swipe it across the center of my nose. You've seen me do it in all of my videos, and I'm also going to take it onto the eyelids as the eyeshadow. For my highlighter today, I'm taking my Ofra Cosmetics Glow Gold highlighter. It is a super intense and in your face kind of a highlighter, but I do not want a very intense look today, so I'm taking it with a fan brush because a fan brush gives a more subtle and more dispersed application for the highlighter, and it makes an even intense highlighter look a little bit more natural. I'm taking it on all the high points of the face, and I'm also taking it on the brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes and the tip of the nose and the cupid's bow. For my eyebrows, I'm taking my old favorite. This is NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and I'm just running it through my eyebrows to tint them and set them. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Kajal Magique and I'm lining my waterline with this. I'm going for a very light application just to add some color to the waterline. I'm not going for a very heavily cold or smoked out look. I'm just applying a very light amount of this. Next, for the mascara, I'm taking my Dior Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara. This is the first makeup product in my collection that I have officially used up. This is the first high-end mascara that I ever bought, and I just loved how it made my eyelashes look. It is one of my absolute favorites, one of my holy grails, and one mascara that I will definitely repurchase once I'm done with some of my older mascaras that I am already using. It gives that instant length and volume and makes your eyelashes look so beautiful and fluttery, and it just gives that nice curl and hold to the eyelashes and makes them look like faux eyelashes. And to finish off the look, I'm taking my By Terry Lip Expert Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Guilty Beige. It's a beautiful nude pink kind of a lip color. It gives that really nice your lips but better kind of color to the lips, and being a liquid lipstick, it is super comfortable on the lips. You do not really feel it on the lips. It is such a lightweight and a beautiful color and formula. I just loved this lipstick. And this, guys, is the final finished look. This is the makeup that I wore on my birthday, and it is a very lightweight and a very simple but quick and easy and a go-to kind of a makeup look that you can do it in under 10 minutes and it looks beautiful nonetheless. I just loved how this makeup look turned out. It is perfect to be worn on those summery days when there is a lot of heat outside, but you still want to look good and you have to wear makeup but you do not want to do anything over the top. I just loved how this makeup look turned out, and I hope you guys loved it too. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. Please support my channel, like and share my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.